This R34 GTR is way too quiet. So in this video, we take Angelo's GTR to Precision Mufflers to finally open up the exhaust on this thing. The results absolutely blew us away and we have an absolute blast sending this car with the boys. So let's get into the video and transform the sound of this beautiful GTR. Hey guys, Jordan here from ThatCarLife and I'm here with Angelo, aka Boost Kings, and we've got his R34 GTR sitting right here, and today we're doing something very special to this car, something that's been long overdue, hasn't it?
Yeah, I've been talking about it for a while. Finally, today's the day. Well, what we're doing is nothing you can see. We're finally making it louder.
Yeah.
Trying to give it that true RB note.
What's done to the exhaust right now?
So it's got a Nismo catback exhaust.
And this is a Nismo muffler right here?
Yeah, that's it there.
Which is pretty rare, this one, eh?
Yeah, this is from like, I think the early 2000s. So pretty much, yeah, catback exhaust. I think it might have downpipe, an aftermarket downpipe, but I have no idea. We're gonna do a resonator delete today and maybe a high flow cat, no cat. We'll see what
we'll find out.
See what we can do.
Well, let's start it up. We'll see how it sounds right now in its current state. I think the fans of the engine are louder than the exhaust, bro.
Yeah, I can't hear anything.
Like, we're able to do all these revs in a busy car park and no one's batting an eye, bro. Like, that's not good. It's a GTR.
No, that's it. No one's gonna turn an eye. No one's gonna complain. It's too quiet.
This is way too quiet for a 34 GTR. I'm telling you, bro, the fans of the engine I could hear louder.
Yeah, they are.
We're gonna head down to the exhaust shop and we're gonna get started on unlocking the note of this beautiful beast and make it sound like a GTR.
Can't wait.
Let's do it. Let's see how it sounds inside the car before we change anything to the exhaust.
That's it.
Wow, bro. A lot of dose. A lot of spooling and dose, and a little bit of exhaust.
A little bit.
All right, guys, so we have the R34 GTR right here. We're at Precision Mufflers, and yeah, I bring all the cars down to John at Precision Mufflers. He does an insane job. So we're now underneath the R34 GTR, and Angelo, what are we gonna do, mate?
Well, we have decided we're gonna do a 3-inch high flow cat, and then we're gonna get rid of this resonator here.
It's all been heat wrapped by someone in Japan.
Yeah, so that's all gonna
decades
come
ago.
off.
So John's got his hands full with this work here, but it's nothing you can't handle. We're gonna hear that note, finally.
I can't wait.
And we were talking before about this muffler. So this is a OG Nismo muffler, very rare, very expensive. We were very worried that because it's so big that even if we do the high flow cat and res, that, you know, this muffler will basically just
still be restrictive.
Still restrict it. But we're having a chat with John, and yeah, he reckons that
it's straight through.
It's basically straight through. So even though it looks massive, we should actually still get a lot of really good sound out of it with the high flow cat and res. So
can't wait.
And hopefully this thing sounds epic and we can actually hear the RB26 finally.
It's definitely deeper already, you can tell.
Yeah, you can hear the notes different.
That's good.
You can hear it when it revs up.
Yeah. That's perfect.
That's mad.
It's deep without being over the top. Yeah.
That's
what I wanted. That's perfect. It's that deepness that I was looking for, because I used to have a GTT version of this, cheap one, and it was very deep, and I was trying to chase that, but that was a 3.5 inch. No, this is perfect. This is fantastic. I don't hear the fan anymore. It's great.
Yeah. And even the idle, bro, you can hear it.
Yeah.
That is hectic.
I can't wait to
rev it out. Yeah. So John's just checking the exhaust, make sure everything's all sweet. Just gonna paint it up and then put it back down. Sounds good, bro.
Does sound good. it is more responsive.
Yeah, and you can actually hear it.
Yeah, you can actually hear it.
We haven't had a chance to properly give
Like,
it.
properly.
We're in all these crap side streets, but you can
Speed up.
already hear the difference. Wow, bro.
It wants to go, but like it.
You can feel it,
you can
eh?
feel it,
That
yeah.
already felt way more responsive.
Yeah, it wants to go.
Because it was so restricted before, and now all that restriction's gone. Oh, bro! Oh!
Oh yeah, that's hectic.
It backfired!
Oh, I could get used to that.
Bro, my head, I could not move it from the back of the seat.
That was actually like instant torque.
That felt way quicker, and it backfired. I've never heard this car backfire.
Nah, not like that.
Bro, I can't believe it made that much of a difference in the response,
It's
bro.
like the delay is gone now. It's like foot down and it goes.
My head hurts from being held back. Obviously, it still has that big muffler, but
Yeah, you can tell there's that muffler still there. Like
yeah,
that.
but it's given it a nice note. It's not stupid loud.
I'm pumped. It's like a new car again. It was already quick, and now it's like more quick.
The camera probably doesn't do it justice,
Yeah.
but that is a massive difference in response.
He's stupid just from such a small change.
It's not stupid loud.
That's what I wanted. Not obnoxious. You can actually get that good deep note. So I'm pumped. That first a second is stupid.
It's just response the whole way through, man. It chirped. It chirped gears. These are all-wheel drive, and it chirped the tires.
I mean, to be fair, it's a bit wet, but still.
Still,
That's
I'm in shock. Yeah,
comfortable
man.
to drive as like casual.
That's right.
And a hectic no when you give it.
All right, Angelo, what do you have to show me?
To see your true reaction.
Reaction to what?
You'll see.
You should have seen that guy's face. It looked like mine, it was crazy.
What do you think? What do you think?
It's a proper GTR, what do you mean?
Yeah.
Can you notice the difference?
Yeah, I actually was shocked at how responsive it is, especially first second. Much more instant now. Like $3,000, it's already like throwing you in your seat.
It's hard to get thrown in the seat when it's this comfy and supportive.
Boy, I like it. It's good. Yeah, it's good to
Back
see.
seat's so comfy as well.
Yeah?
Yeah, I've never sat there before.
Very comfortable.
More spacious than the S15A. That's what I thought.
That's what I thought.
Yeah.
That was hot.
Wow.
Do you want to feel it hit as a passenger?
Yeah, let's go. I know you want to do it anyway, so. Yeah, blew the dashman away. Oh, that's actually feels 10 times faster than anything I've driven.
That feels nice, eh? As a passenger, it's completely different, eh?
Yeah, because you got nothing to hold on to.
Yeah, it feels good, bro. It sounds nice.
Yeah.
We just finished up that drive. We heard what this car sounded like on the outside. We have it here at this beautiful spot. Look how beautiful this car is.
Mate, it is beautiful.
It's gorgeous. It's a gorgeous car. Hearing this car on the outside, obviously the note is way better, but
definitely.
yeah, it's opened up the car to the point where it backfires and pops.
Backfires, more responsive. It's like a completely
Yeah, and
different car.
wait, that's right. The most important thing is it is insanely responsive. Like, this car just feels so much faster. It throws you back in the seat way quicker.
Yeah, and now I finally experienced that as well.
How was the
Driving it,
difference?
it feels great, but actually as a passenger, it feels better almost. Like, it feels 10 times more faster as well.
Feels faster, eh?
Yeah.
And yeah, just me driving it. I've driven this car before, and driving it now, I can definitely tell the difference driving it. The response is way better. So it's a good note because it's not crazy loud?
Yeah, I'm very happy with it. Like I can drive on the road casually and not worry about, you know, any headaches as well.
That's right.
So that's
it's not anything stupid. It's a very nice note.
I love the muffler. It's grown on me and I kind of don't want to get rid of it.
It's very unique, this Nismo muffler.
Yeah, at first people say they don't like it and I get it, but it grows in you.
What's your honest thoughts, Ryan?
My honest assessment of the new modifications to the vehicle over here on display. Oh my God, I loved it. Thank you very much for having me here today, people. To the next one.
Right, mate. Yeah, that was a great interview, great witness interview. But the overall consensus here is it sounds great. It sounds sick. So yeah, let us know in the comments down below what you guys think of the exhaust and how it sounds. We'll leave the video there. Really hope you enjoyed this one. It was definitely a lot of fun opening up this beautiful GTR RB26. So if you guys enjoyed the video, please make sure you like, comment, and subscribe for more. And we'll see you in the next one on That Car Life.